That looks rough. Another big storm too. This is the season, right?
We're definitely in the middle of hurricane season right now. So things are really starting to pick up as we speak. Not only are there two right now near the Gulf of Mexico and off to the east of that, but we have two also in the Pacific. So we actually have four systems that we're tracking right now. So here's a look, and you can see what's happening. It is a tropical storm, Gordon, but it is gaining in strength as we speak. So by the time we head into the evening, it could actually become a Category 1 hurricane before it makes landfall. And we're also tracking Florence. You can see just off to the east of Gordon right there. Right now, it doesn't look like Florence will make landfall at all, at least from now until the weekend. It is a Category 1, so that's something we're also watching as well. So we're going to zoom in and show you Gordon. You can see right now as a tropical storm, we only have winds about 65 miles per hour. It's still strong, but again, gaining in strength because it is moving in warmer water. So it is turning into a Category 1 before it makes landfall. And you can see as it continues to make its path to the northeast, it will start to lose steam, and then we'll start to see those winds go down to about 40 miles per hour by Wednesday morning, and then by Wednesday evening go down to about 30. But it's definitely going to bring a lot of that rain and also some big waves over as it makes its way over to land. Also, as I mentioned, we have a couple more of these hurricanes out in the Pacific. We have Hurricane Olivia, currently Category 2, and then we also have Hurricane Norman, Category 1. So it looks like it's making its way a little bit closer to Hawaii, still a ways off. This is something we'll continue to monitor. But otherwise, everywhere else looking pretty good. Still pretty warm and muggy, especially for the eastern seaboard. Take a look. Their temperatures are in the 80s and 90s, and we still have this big trough that's dividing the country with the cooler air coming in from Canada. And then when it mixes in with that hot, humid air, that's when it's starting to clash. And that's when we start to see a lot of the severe storms that we saw over the weekend for the middle part of the country headed toward from the Midwest to the Great Lakes. Here in Southern California, temperatures comfortable, 74. That marine influence a little bit deeper this morning, so it's taking a little bit longer to clear, especially near the coast. Right now we have highs about 74 with lighter winds coming in from the north for Long Beach, and then everywhere else you can see temperatures are a mix of 70s and 80s inland, a little bit hotter in Lancaster at 90 degrees. So you could see we do have a lot more of the clouds hanging around near our beach communities, and then off to the east with that high pressure system away from us. It has pulled away all that monsoonal flow, but that high pressure system will slowly make its way closer to us by the end of the week. So from now until midweek, we're looking at that deeper marine influence hanging around each night and morning. Temperatures staying slightly below average through midweek. And then once that high pressure system gets closer to us, you can see a gradual warming trend on tap as we end the week and then head into this upcoming weekend. Sandy, back to you.